Mojito Shalom, say hi to everybody. Hi, 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 hi. Hi. Hi, 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 hi. So we're doing this video. Super puffy twisting. Here it is. Here, look at it. I got it come with fear. It's like really fun. It's like a real puppy. This is how you can tell your mom or dad how you do the puppy or cat. This is from a store. Let's see if the Twilight can ride it. It's like still. And the leash right here is the button to it. So let's see if Twilight can ride it. I want to ride it. Okay. She can wait. She can wait. Oh man, she can't even get on it. Okay, let's see. Here it is. Come back. She's on. Get. Okay, stop it. So, this is gonna be her, like, dog. This is how to stop. Hey, get out of the camera, I'm trying to film. The dog is walking through the camera. Bad puppy. Bad. Okay, that'll be all for now, because I'm doing the next video. This is going to be a top video. We're going to have like lots of videos like this. Like when I get new toys, I'll show you how to do it. And then I can find it somewhere. But this, I don't know where this pet came from. I don't know. But we're in Waco, Bellamy, Texas. And same street. I'm 7 years old. And my name is Abigail. Or Abigail Morel. And YouTube people call me Abby. Bye. Say bye to everyone, because we have to. Okay, say bye. Bye. Good. Okay, guys, we don't have enough time, but there's like, should I get toy in here? There's like sweet, like Beauty and the Beast. And it was yellow. That's the reflection. It begins with an M. Bye, guys. Bye.